Okay, now I'm going to show you the other way to solve this problem. Again, we have the function f of x equals 3x plus 2 and g of x equals square root of x plus 4. Okay, and we're trying to find f of g of 3. Okay, so what we're going to do with this problem is we're going to solve it this time generically to start, and then we're going to plug in the 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with f of x, and that equals 3x squared plus 2. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in g of x. So what happens is I take f of x and I put g of x into it. So that means wherever there's an x in my function, I'm going to replace it with what g of x is, which is square root of x plus 4. So I'm going to get 3 square root of x plus 4 and then the plus 2 on the outside. Alright, so now I have my complete function. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and replace the x with the 3 and see what happens. I should get the same answer as I did in the previous problem that I posted. Square root and hopefully you've caught the small mistake I made. This was 3x squared, so that means this part right here needs to be squared. Sometimes, you know, I like to make mistakes so you guys can see it and then say, oh, Mr. Travis, you made a mistake. Okay, now what we have here is we have 3 times the square root. 3 plus 4 is 7. But that is still squared, plus 2. Now, what do you know about the square root squared of a square root? Well, those kind of replace each other, so square root of 7 times square root of 7 becomes just 7. So this becomes 3 times 7 plus 2, and our answer becomes 21 plus 2, or 23, which is the same exact answer we got when we did it the other way by first finding g of 3 and plugging that into f. So either way you go with this approach, you're still going to get the same answer, but I've showed you how to do it in 2 different ways. Okay, thanks.